Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetrainingvideos.com. It is 12:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on April 21st, 2010, and we are looking at a 3-minute chart of the S&P 500 ETF. Nice close here at the end of the day yesterday, chopped around and then gapped down this morning that is now filled, at least pre-market, and then we sold off. So watching all the news events unfold actually served us well this morning as we ran up into this area of resistance. Dropped a little horizontal line in there. Makes a lot of sense to stall. We didn't quite hold up at the 121 mark, but we're doing a good job at the 120 area still, even with this sell-off. Not the worst volume I've ever seen, but nothing to sneeze at either. So let's take a look at something besides pre- and post-market data. You'll get a regular day time template. And so here is a nice open and a sell-off. Here's a nice swing low right through here. Excellent unfilled gap remains intact, which I like. We have that in our camp. And I'll be watching to see if we hold this 120 mark. That's why that's in there, along with this perfect gap fill on those previous swing highs. So that's a lot to look at. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Nice break, support, good resistance back here. We tested that once or twice, which is excellent, and we're hitting all of our numbers, all of our lines except for this 121.50 mark. And that would be the next logical spot of resistance on the way up. If we get that today, that would be pretty amazing. I'd rather actually see a consolidation and see if the 15 MA can still hold up at this rising 50 MA and the 120.50 mark. If we do get a lower swing high and sell off out of here, the 200 MA, 100 MA, and then also the 120 mark on the spiders. So that's a lot to chew on for support. Some good overhead resistance as well. And we can take apart the trend during the same time frame. Basically neutral. Couple little notable blips up into this bear range, a little crack in the matrix, but we are now back down into the neutral zone here for that. And the trend Q has been rising steadily all day long, but also still in the quote-unquote bull zone. To me, that's more of a consolidating kind of action. And the volatility index has been rising steadily into resistance at the big red, at least on this 15-minute chart. And again, not the most bullish type of scenario, but it looks like we're trying to put in some kind of consolidation in this area. Especially be careful around noon Eastern Standard Time, the doldrums, when things can get a little bit light. And good stuff. So that's what I see in the market so far. Hope you're all having a great trading day. And again, whenever you see great earnings announcements or any positive news that gets digested to the downside, just be a little bit more cautious how you go along. So good stuff. Have a great rest of the trading day, and look forward to D7's video at the close.